Hello mga ka-low carbers! Yes, I'm Yumi. So I want to show you my food tonight. Okay, I grilled 1 kilo of pork with belly. Yan po ang mga collagen natin, natural collagen. And my rice is broccoli. Ayan, lulutuin ko pa siya. And gumawa ako ng turmeric. Actually, yung sabaw ng pinagkuluan ko ng broccoli. So, nilagyan ko lang siya ng asin and lemon. So, they have electrolyte, they have fiber, they have anti-inflammation or cause of good of turmeric. They have lots of benefits. So, bopati, ang sarap nito. Kain tayo. Ito ka. Pwede po tayong kumain ng good fat. Ito po yung good fat. Yan. Taba. Like mga 2 slice of pork chop. That's natural collagen for our fatty acid and amino acid. It helps our body self-healing. Autophagy, kung meron po kayong sakit, like cancer, hypertension, diabetes, it's okay. And electrolyte, it's health for you. Because the salt is monitoring of blood pressure. Also, our mitochondria needs magnesium, potassium, oxygen, and sodium. So, be knowledgeable po. Let's eat po. Masarap ba mga low carb food? Kain po tayo. Hello, Ate Jenna. Nasunog yung liempo ko, but nakagawa ko ng chicharon. So, bibili lang ako ng balat, then